Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to take you through the tapping points that I generally use. There are lots of acupressure points throughout the body, but these are the ones that most people use when they're doing tapping. And you can also tap on any other points in your body if you feel called to do that. But these are the ones that I use. So the eyebrow point is on the point of your eyebrows, middle point of your eyebrows, and we tap with a medium to firm pressure, 2 fingers. And I like to do both because we're stimulating the point, and make sure that you're speaking out loud to get that cognitive resonance through your body. The outer eye point is just on the bone, which goes around your eye, and it's just underneath that point of the eye. The under eye point is the same on that bone, but in the middle of your eye, just directly beneath your pupil. The under nose point is directly between your nose and your lip. The chin point is on the crease of your chin. Collarbone points are right where, just beneath where your shoulder blades show up at the front here, in those little dips. Your underarm point is where, for ladies, where a bra strap would be, about a handspan underneath your armpit. And I tap it like this. Other people tap it differently, but that's okay. We're all individuals. And then for the top of the head, anywhere on the head, you do that quite firmly. It's really stimulating. There's also the side of hand point, which I will occasionally use when I'm doing setup statement. Okay, so that's all we're doing in today's video. I hope that all makes sense.